Hey there, it's Jenny, and I'm back today to share with you a traveler's notebook process layout. I am sharing with you the supplies that I am using, some Pinkfresh Studios die cuts and stickers and pattern paper, and then some Photo Play alphabet die cuts, which I got because I wanted something really neutral that I could pair with all kinds of layouts. And I didn't know if these would be the alphas. They looked good. But I am proud to report after making this layout that I absolutely love them. They're a fantastic size and they're so neutral. I'm trimming down this Pinkfresh patterned paper to 4 1/8 by 8 1/8 inches. And I was gonna also do that with the white cardstock, and then I had a change of heart. I decided that I was going to do another sheet of patterned paper. I'm not going to use this front side with all of the frames, though they're absolutely so cute. I'm going to use the back side with the stripes. So we've got a neutral watercolory wash on one side and then some real graphic stripes on the other. I love the mix of the geometric with the organic on the right hand side. I'm going to map this photo, which is a picture of my home, on white cardstock, and then it's going to sit bottom half of the striped page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the title. So that these are those die cuts that I shared with you. They're from Photo Play, and they were so easy to use. I just run them through the die cut machine, and I used white cardstock. That was it. You could use different colors of cardstock. You could use patterned paper. You could use white that you inked up, like with Distress Oxides or something like that. Sky's the limit. But I love this size, like I said, and it's just really wonderful. So I am using a mono glue. It's clear, which is definitely a huge help, to adhere these down the side of the patterned paper. It reads Home Sweet Home, as obviously I already said that is a photo of my home. So I'm just making sure that these all line up with it'll be the left-hand side. It will not become apparent here for a minute, but it will be the left-hand side. And then trying to center it the best that I can, just eyeballing it because I don't want to measure it. But it's so cute. I love how that turned out. Excuse the dog barking in the background. They think there's someone here to murder me, but there's not. Can you relate? Do you have a dog who thinks that someone is at your home to murder you? All right, so I'm going to pull out these die cuts. They're super cute. Lots of really cool images, and even better, lots of home images. So I'm going to make a pile of ones that I'm considering using, and then I'm going to make a pile of ones that I do not want to use. So the lower left-hand side are the ones that I'm not planning on using, and the top pile, I guess, is the ones that I'm considering using. I know that I'm pulling out way more than I could use on this one layout, but I wanted to have options. So I pulled out all of the ones that I thought might work. So now I'm just sorting through them, checking out like, okay, could I use this one? Where would I use this one? Does it go with what I want to do? I really wanted to have something that sort of hugged that bottom edge of the photo, and that shelf really seems to be the winner. It's really cute right there. And then just that little right here banner, also very cute. Now I loved this tag for this page, but I knew that I probably wanted to keep like a little linear cluster up there. So maybe layering a couple of flower sprigs, yeah, laid right on top of each other. Aren't they so cute? Just sort of the bottom one is peeking out from the top one. It looks really cute. And then there is this perfect sticker. It looks like a little postage stamp. You see that right there? So cute. So I'm going to put those all together for a little cluster. Be very cute. And then up in the top hand corner, we're going to put that label that has the little houses, and then adhere that die cut with the little houses using some foam squares. So you can see now the visual triangle between my three embellishment clusters. The one down below the photo, this one I'm working on right there, and then the little label up at the top with the houses. So cute. Am I right? I love how it all came together so well. I had taken this photo for a day in the life, and I really kind of wanted to just sort of document what our house looked like right now, and this seems like the perfect fit. So I will put the foam adhesive on the back, And then there's just that little red corner angled text sticker, or not sticker, it's a die cut, that I wanted to adhere to that photo. I don't know why, it just felt like it really popped right there, and I liked the look of it a lot. And aside from adhering this little cluster down here at the bottom, which I am going to layer with a little sticker because you know me, I love my clusters to have 3 little different elements. Now all I have to do is add my journaling. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much and make it a great day.